In today's economic landscape, many families find themselves questioning the adequacy of their income, particularly when it comes to navigating the challenges of raising a family on a salary of $100,000. At first glance, this figure may appear substantial, but as housing costs, education, and essential living expenses continue to rise, the reality may be starkly different. This video delves into the nuanced financial struggles faced by middle-class families, exploring the complexities of making ends meet, and highlighting the importance of adopting a resilient mindset. Drawing insights from the Black Book of Riches, we'll uncover practical strategies to overcome financial hurdles, demonstrating that while the journey may be challenging, it can also lead to invaluable lessons and opportunities for growth. Join us as we unravel the truth behind the numbers and explore the path toward financial stability for families of four, one that is filled with both obstacles and possibilities. As we navigate through economic uncertainty, middle-class families are grappling with the question, is a $100,000 income sufficient for a family of four? While this figure may seem appealing at first glance, the reality is often more complicated. Rising living costs, challenges related to inflation, and the pressures of modern life can make it feel like an uphill battle, a reality that's far from uncommon for many today. In many urban areas, a household income of $100,000 doesn't stretch as far as it once did. Families face escalating costs for housing, education, healthcare, and childcare. For example, a family living in a city where housing prices have skyrocketed can find that a large chunk of their income goes to rent or mortgage payments, leaving little for savings or leisure activities. Take the Johnsons, a typical family of four living in a major metropolitan area. Despite earning $100,000 a year, their monthly expenses, mortgage, utility bills, groceries, and childcare, strip away much of their disposable income. As they sit down for dinner, they often find themselves discussing how they'll make ends meet next month rather than enjoying family time. To not just survive but thrive during tough economic times, fostering a mindset of productivity and growth is crucial. As we learn from the Black Book of Riches, success is rarely a straight path. The author emphasizes that men should know that success isn't built on success. It's built on failure and frustration and on fear that you have to overcome. This profound insight serves as a reminder that setbacks are integral to the journey towards financial security and personal achievement. One illustrative example from the book follows a business owner who faced bankruptcy. Rather than viewing this failure as the end, he reframed it as a learning opportunity. He analyzed what went wrong, sought mentorship, and eventually rebuilt his empire stronger than before. It highlights that true success often emerges from navigating risks and embracing learning curves. Budgeting wisely. Families should meticulously track their finances, assessing where every dollar goes. By creating a realistic budget, they can identify areas to cut back and funnel extra savings into emergency funds or investments. Invest in skills. Acquiring new skills or education can open doors to better job opportunities. As stated in the Black Book of Riches, investing in oneself pays the highest dividends, which underscores the value of lifelong learning. Entrepreneurial ventures. Families can explore starting side businesses or ventures that align with their passions. This not only supplements income, but also cultivates creativity. The book inspires readers to think outside the box, saying, "The only limits that exist are the ones created in your mind." Building a network. Surrounding oneself with like-minded individuals can offer support and inspiration. Engaging with success-driven people can provide new perspectives and opportunities. Embrace technology. Utilizing online tools and platforms can significantly increase productivity. Whether through remote work applications or financial management software, efficiency gains can lead to additional time and savings. Ultimately, the answer to whether a $100,000 income is enough for a family of four isn't black and white. It depends on numerous factors, including location, lifestyle choices, and financial habits. However, by adopting a growth mindset and being proactive in addressing financial challenges, families can navigate their situations more successfully. As we reflect on the insights from the Black Book of Riches, remember, the most valuable lessons come from the hardest of times. By recognizing that obstacles can spark innovation and resilience, families can transform their economic realities and pave the way for a brighter, more prosperous future. Embrace the journey, learn from the challenges, and know that success is waiting just beyond the hurdles.